In today's video, I'm going to teach you implementing Firebase push notifications on Android with a custom backend. We'll set up the Android app to receive notifications and connect it to a trusted server that sends them securely. Start by adding your Android app to a Firebase project and downloading the configuration file into your app module. In your Gradle setup, enable the Google Services plugin and add the Firebase Cloud messaging dependency so the app can talk to Firebase. On newer Android versions, users must grant notification permission. Prompt for this at runtime, and create a notification channel so your alerts can appear with the right importance and sound. This ensures messages are visible when they arrive. Next, create a messaging service by subclassing the Firebase messaging service in your app. In the token callback, grab the device's registration token. This token identifies the app instance for push delivery. Send it to your backend over HTTPS and associate it with the signed-in user or device record. Tokens can rotate, so update your server whenever you get a new one. In the message callback, handle both notification and data payloads. When the app is in the foreground, build and show a local notification so the user still sees it. Set a tap action that opens the right screen and carries any data the message included. Keep payloads small and avoid sensitive content in notifications. Now, let's talk about the backend, which must live in a trusted environment like a server or cloud function. Authenticate using a service account to call the Firebase Cloud Messaging HTTP v1 API. Never put server credentials in the app. Provide an endpoint for the app to register or refresh tokens and store them with timestamps and user associations. When a token is invalid, remove it to keep your list clean. To send a notification, construct a message with the target token or a topic, include a title and body for display, and add optional data keys your app can act on. Choose notification payloads for simple alerts handled by the system, or data-only messages when you want full control, such as custom sounds or in-app routing. For broadcast scenarios, consider topics and subscribe devices during onboarding. Test end-to-end by installing the app on a device, granting permission, confirming the token reaches your backend, and sending a test message from your server. Verify behavior in foreground and background, tap actions, and that tokens refresh properly after reinstall or sign out. With this setup, you'll have a reliable, secure push pipeline from your backend to your Android users.